Shout out to Casetify for sponsoring the video. Their phone cases offer 3 times military grade protection. They've dared me to drop my phone using their cases, so watch until the end to see the results.
Oh, very nice. Oh.
Cucumba.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I think I found my berries. Not my berry.
Casetify's MagSafe compatible cases are more protective than the cases I used before, which had protected my phone from numerous drops. They have designed slim bumpers on the corners, which offer extreme protection without sacrificing style. They dared me to drop it, so let's put it to the test. These cases are 2.5 meter drop proof, and 3.5 meters for their newest iPhone 14 series. This is the iPhone before the drop. Everything is looking good. I trust the phone case, but this still feels so dodgy. 3, 2, 1. After the drop, it had no damage whatsoever.
No cracks and no broken camera.
Everything still works perfectly. That's pretty bloody crikey blue awesome, mate. These would be a great gift for yourself or a friend.
Thanks.
Look at all the cool styles you can choose from. Go to casetify.com/Jiemba to save 15% off your order.